Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in this video I will guide you to make your Deliveroo account. Now if you want to make your Deliveroo account and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to make your Deliveroo account and if you want to get your food delivered at your home and all, then this you need to simply follow the steps. So the very first step will be to install the Deliveroo app on device. So if you have not installed, you need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, open the Deliveroo app on a device. So this is the landing page. Here you will see the option of get started, so click on the option of get started. Now you need to share your location with the Deliveroo app, so click on the option of continue. Now it asks you to allow, it asks you for your location, so you need to simply click on the option of allow once or allow using the app. So after that, it is not available in my place right now, so after that you need to click on the profile icon at the very top right of the page, and here you will see the option of sign up or log into your account. You may click on the option of continue with email, so click on it. So here you need to enter your email address and you need to click on the option of continue. So after continuing, you need to simply enter the password or create a password for your account, and after entering the password you will be able to create the account on a Deliveroo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.